Imagine waking up to a world buried in snow, where the familiar cityscape has vanished under a white blanket. This was reality during the Great Blizzard of 1888, a storm that struck the eastern United States with unprecedented ferocity. Beginning on March 11, 1888, without warning, the storm unleashed its fury, with snowfalls reaching up to 55 inches in some areas, accompanied by hurricane-force winds. Cities like New York, Boston, and Philadelphia were engulfed, bringing daily life to a grinding halt. The storm crippled the region's infrastructure, with telegraph lines and railways rendered useless, effectively isolating communities. Streets became impassable, and businesses shuttered as people sought refuge indoors. The blizzard's impact was devastating, claiming the lives of over 400 individuals and causing extensive property damage. Yet, amid the chaos, stories of resilience emerged. Citizens banded together, offering shelter and aid to those in need. This event spurred significant changes in urban planning and emergency response strategies, prompting cities to rethink their infrastructure. The Great Blizzard of 1888 remains a testament to nature's unpredictable force and the enduring spirit of human resilience in the face of adversity.